wild beast. One of, for me personally, the most beautiful Italian cars out there. And yes, I think I'm going to want one badly. I have wanted to drive one of these since it was launched, and I don't know why it's taken me quite this long. It's been super challenging to actually find one to get to test drive, but finally happening here today in Italy at the Blocco Proving Grounds. Not the ideal weather situation. It's raining quite a lot. It's been raining actually very heavily all morning. We've got Cup 2 tires on, so it's going to make for an interesting drive, especially that this is already an extremely tail happy car. So for this morning, at least anyway, I'm swapping my own Giulia Quadrifoglio for the mighty GTAm. And based on my excitement to drive this car and how much it's raining, let's jump inside and go for my first drive in this one-of-a-kind car. Bear with me while I try and figure out where I'm going and also try to feel how much I can push this car with the Cup 2 tires on in the rain. It is loud in here. Holy moly, it sounds fantastic. Straight away feels quite different to my Giulia Quadrifoglio. I wasn't expecting it to feel that much different straight away. It is from factory lower than my Giulia, so I'm instantly feeling that, which was really, really nice. So it does have a different ECU map. As far as I'm aware, faster gear changes as well. It is just more responsive. I have read online it's also possible, whether it's really allowed or not, to put the ECU map of this on the standard Giulia. Okay, it is raining heavy. The sound is just... my word. Okay, yeah, this is really, really good. First impressions for me matter so much when driving cars. Blast through this tunnel. It's just a complete lunatic, this car. Yeah. What an absolute mentalist. I love it. So far on the first small lap, it's living up to everything I had imagined. Oh, come on back, get some grip. I think I want one of these. I mean, I love my Giulia, honestly. It's just been so good now owning that Giulia for the last 4 months. I've already done 20,000 kilometers in mine. Come on. There's grip there somewhere, we'll find it. And in true Italian form, I've just realized they've given me the car with 20 kilometers of range left. So the fuel light is on. Only in Italy. Luigi forgot to fill the car up. God. I was thinking of a million things to say to you all about this car, you know, facts and stats, but honestly, my mind's just gone a bit blank at the moment because I'm just having so much fun, but at the same time having to concentrate quite a lot. So it's the same 2.9 litre V6 as I have in my car, with a 30 horsepower increase, and as I said, a different ECU map. Also faster spinning turbines inside the turbos. It's just building up much quicker. You touch the throttle and it's just like a firecracker. Come on. What a brute. Actually, I know it's raining and I would like to go a bit faster, but at the same time I have to admit it's massive amounts of fun, and it's also good to test a car in the rain, of course. Oh my word. This is a car you buy first of all just for the looks alone, especially with the wider 50mm track on the rear, flared carbon arches. It's just, I can't put it into words. It's really as I hoped. I didn't quite think it would be this mad, if I'm honest. I thought, come on, it's not going to be that much more crazy than my having to concentrate quite a lot than my Giulia. Let's do another tunnel blast and then go and get some fuel, because I think I'm about to run out. Come on. Just fighting with an Italian tiger, if such a thing exists. I don't know. Come on. Proper DTM vibes in here, and I grew up loving DTM. That was my main motorsport that I watched as a child. 90s DTM. For me, it doesn't get much better than that. Ending today's video a bit differently than I had hoped. The front wheel just fell off as we came back into here, which is quite terrifying.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Something was not quite right and there was a bit of vibration. The vibrations increased, and as we stopped, the wheel literally fell off. So right now it's kind of hanging off, and the center lock fell directly out. So right now it's a bit of a crime scene. He said don't touch it, so he's going to find someone, I guess, to shout at quite a lot. Someone might be very well losing their job, because that's obviously one of the worst things you can do as a mechanic. There's things that are acceptable mistakes, and there are things like this of not tightening the wheels to the front left in this case, which can be obviously quite scary. You know, if this had happened while I was driving faster on a straight, then of course it would have flung me straight into the wall, for example. So right now I'm just happy to be back, and nothing bad has happened, although it could have. And although this has happened, it doesn't change my love for the GTAm, one of the coolest, most exciting Italian cars I've ever driven in my life, and I still do want one. As I said, this is human error, not on the car. So as I said, a bit of a crime scene here at the moment. He said don't touch anything. As we pulled in here, the wheel, as you can see, it's sticking out now of the wheel arch, because it's come out and everything just sprung out. So that, and the center lock right here. So yeah, a bit of a sad way to end my first experience in one of these cars, but right now, after that, I think I've had my fun, and unfortunately it's ended like that. I'm now going to jump back into my own Giulia, which I'm pretty sure the wheels are very tightly secured, and head home. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I really hope nonetheless I get to drive this more in the future. Ciao for now.